Hello YouTube, I'm back with another ceiling fan video, and here is this video of my customized hugger ceiling fan. Not hugger, but my spinner ceiling fan, and I did not put the canopy up. It's still sitting on the bottom right here because this spinner fan is it is flush mount optional too. And this is actually my Northman spinner motor, and these blades are off my Impressions Hugger ceiling fan, Walmart. Same with these globes. And the mounting hardware, canopy and down rod are off of my Classic Fan spinner ceiling fan. And this is my customized spinner ceiling fan. So yeah, let's get to it. So there's the light. Start up on low. And it does wobble on high speed. And it does look good with the gold white blades and then the white canopy and the white down rod. Let's turn it on high now. This fan doesn't have a medium speed. Turn the light off. So, wobbles a little bit, and the minuet is safe. It is right here, right next to the Sears Roebuck. And also the Builder Best is right there. And the blades are right there. So yeah, it's a pretty good fan. I can feel a lot of air. This thing hauls ass. Oh, whoops, so that's off. So we'll wait until this slows down, then I'll reverse it. Whoops, just adjust the blades a little bit. So I have to adjust the blades, sometimes the blades. So put that there. All right, perfect. Low speed, and it is going the winter way, which it's supposed to go. I will be doing a full video on this later. High speed. It's pretty wobbly on this over here. Actually, I'm gonna turn that down. Yeah. It does not go well on when it's reversed. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.